Baby, your love is my medicine. Baby, your love is my medicine. When I'm up, bring me down. Your love is my medicine, love, baby. Your love is my medicine. When I'm up, bring me down.
What it do, you guys? It's your favorite girl, Roya, here, back with a Valentine's Day look. I feel like throughout this whole video, I'm gonna have red lipstick on my teeth. That's why I don't wear red. But if you like this video, if you like this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Press that red button down below. And if you like this look, stay tuned. Watch the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, let's get started. So I'm going to be using my AliExpress eyeshadow palette that I got for $5. So I'm going to be using that lighter shade into the crease. And for this eyeshadow look, I'm just gradually darkening out the pink. So I'm going to start with that lighter pink. Next, I'm going to be using that pink that you see right there and put that also into my crease. And the key to this look is blending. Blend, blend, blend. Yeah. So the last color I'm going to use is this dark fuchsia color. This color right here is beautiful. Oh, I got a little blurry. But just blend away. Just make sure you blend. Next, I'm going to be using my Revlon Eye Art glitter, and I had no glitter glue, so I put this gold shade on first, and then I'm going to be using my AliExpress glitter. I'm gonna leave the link to the glitter I bought in the description box, but this glitter right here is beautiful. I love the color, I love the shine of it and how it looks. And then I'm just going to blend out the edges to make sure everything is all blended. Next, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty highlighter and putting that into my inner corner and my brow bone area as well. Next, I'm using my favorite foundation, Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 340, and then I'm just going to be blending that out. Next, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Better Skin Concealer in the shade light medium, I think it's light medium. And then blend it out. And I put it underneath my eyes, like my cupid's bow, underneath my chin, and my forehead area. Next, I'm going to be using my handy dandy my L'Oreal True Match powder. I love this stuff. Next, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D contour kit, and I'm going to use that middle shade in the kit to contour my cheekbones. And then using my BH Cosmetic highlighting palette and using Dream Radiance to highlight my face to give me that glow. And then a little bit of blush. And now I'm using my AliExpress eyebrow pencil, and I love this eyebrow pencil. So far, so good. And next I'm going to just fully out the eyebrows just to make sure everything's all blended and no harsh lines. And next I'm going to be using my Sephora Collections liquid lipstick, and I love this shade. And yes, there you go, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next video.